How to see close friend story on Instagram without being friends. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Create Login and Delete. Viewing someone's close friend story on Instagram without being on their close friend list is not possible through official means. Instagram ensures that close friend stories are only visible to the selected people chosen by the user. However, we are here with some workarounds you might consider. First of all, if you have a mutual friend who is on the person's close friends list, you can ask them to check and show you the story. Also, if the person accepts follow requests from secondary accounts, you could try creating a new Instagram account and follow them. If they add that account to their close friend list, you might be able to see their close friend stories. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.